3D printing is amazing. We use it to get innovative, bring our designs into real-life objects. However, most 3D printers may not live up to your expectations, cost you a lot of time and money. Until now. Introducing the SnapMaker 3D printer. It makes all the things you do with your printer more reliable, enjoyable, and affordable. A full metal body and industrial outlook highlight its premium design. Along with the metal body, all major components are CNC machined from aluminum alloys to boost the precision and capacity. Then they go through the anodized process to obtain a protective oxide layer. The all-metal designed SnapMaker focuses on every detail to consistently deliver the very best result. SnapMaker also features an innovative modular design, giving you an easy setup of 10 parts in only 10 minutes, which is the best ever on a 3D printer. It comes with easy-to-use software. Simply drag and drop a model into it and click Start. You do the design and let the SnapMaker do the rest. It's hassle-free from start to finish. High-performance SnapMaker lets you tinker and explore in unique and exciting ways, giving you the most enjoyable experience all the time. Now, there's no need to focus on a fixed screen. You can check and control all settings using its movable and intuitive touchscreen in your hand. SnapMaker also features expanded options of laser engraving and CNC carving. With interchangeable heads, SnapMaker can be easily transformed into a laser engraver that sparks your creativity. And CNC carving machine that lets your imaginations run wild. SnapMaker is versatile, inspiring you to create in more ways.
Introducing UltraLock UL3BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. UltraLock is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in UltraLock app through Bluetooth low-energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. UltraLock's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. UltraLock integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In UltraLock app, you can view logs of who is entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. UltraLock has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. UltraLock is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. UltraLock is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. UltraLock. Simplify your safety.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a toy box into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Phone Drone is packable and can be broadly extended. Not only that, but Phone Drone Ethos is the first drone that can be controlled from Apple Watch. Our team will be releasing the Phone Drone Controller API to the market, allowing developers to build drone capability into their existing apps and even create completely new apps around this technology. With over 10 million mobile app developers in the industry, Phone Drone Ethos will have the largest potential developer community in existence. Imagine the innovation. Where will it go? Image recognition, obstacle avoidance, swarm operation through the cloud. We know the possibilities are endless, but we need your help. We need you to join in on the revolution. Be one of the first to usher in the new drone era and let Phone Drone Ethos give your smartphone access to the third dimension.
Printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects, or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.